What are you doing?
I do stupid stuff and see how long it takes for you to notice. Here we go. This is what we want. So, this is how a truck should look. Shovel, cable, sawzall, rope, chainsaw stuff. So here's this area, this little circle right here. Used to be able to not walk through it. It was so thick. I'm gonna take this guy down, but it's leaning this way. And also, if you look at the top, it's also gonna, if it did drop that way, it would get hit, it would get caught up there. So I'm going to make a cut and pull it this direction. We got a snatch block, so I'll do high cut and bring the tree this way, hopefully. Not a very good cut. My cuts have been pretty bad lately. I don't know why. But hopefully it'll do the job. Have it under tension. I probably should put it under tension before we do the back cut. So yep, you can just watch or you can ask me what we're going to do. So we're going to literally pull it this way. So rope goes through here and this changes the direction that we're pulling. Rope comes in from this side and then gets pulled that way. Hey buddy. So as I pull the truck that way, it's going to drop it right here, hopefully. Okay. So, tell me when this thing is tight. Alright, just stay back. I'll cut it from the back side. Could have been a little flatter of a cut, but I'm just gonna pull it and see if it happens.
Ready? Looks like a city skyline or something.
Well, that's what you want. That's called the holding wood, so that's all right. Look at that skyline up there. It didn't get caught up in that tree, that big old branch, and it didn't bring that branch down either. So that was what we wanted. We cut it. Get on. Stop leaning back. We did good.
Working all day and we're hungry. Might as well enjoy it.